I found a recipe for chicken breast with cabbage that is incredibly delicious. Let's start our recipe by kneading a cabbage. Cut it into slices like this. If you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now add the cabbage slices to a baking dish. Then set aside. Now add 4 eggs to a bowl. If you want to surprise your family for Sunday lunch or dinner, you need to make this recipe. It's incredible. Now add a can of cream. Then season with black pepper to taste and salt. Once done, mix everything very well. That's it. Now we're going to grate 200 grams of cheese. If you make this recipe once, you'll want to make it again. It's delicious and quick to make. Now set aside the cheese. Next, we'll need 2 chicken breasts. Cut them into strips and then cut them into cubes and set aside. That's it. Now we'll need an onion. Cut it into slices like this. Next, cut a tomato into slices and set aside. Then add the cheese to the beaten eggs. Mix very well. Next, add the chicken breast that we just cut and mixed to combine. That's it. Once done, add the chicken breast on top of the cabbage. This recipe is so delicious that my family asked me to make it twice a week. Once done, spread the chicken on top of the cabbage. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about the city or country you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now add the onion on top of the chicken. After this recipe, you'll never eat chicken any other way again. It's delicious and quick to make. Now add the tomato slices on top. And look how beautiful our recipe is turning out. Then, on each tomato slice, I added a little grated Parmesan cheese, and the amount I used was 100 grams. Now bake at 200 degrees for approximately 50 minutes. And our recipe is ready. You can take a piece and serve it. If you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? I'll leave you here. A big hug, and see you in the next video.